Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find wallet address in Jupiter Crypto application. To find the wallet address on Jupiter Crypto, first of all launch open the Jupiter application and log into your wallet. Once you're inside the home page of your wallet, go ahead and tap on this wallet button at the bottom right and click on Receive Sol. You will then be able to see your deposit address or your wallet address on the page. Go ahead and share your wallet address or copy your wallet address and choose a contact that you want to receive funds from. You can also go ahead and let anyone scan this QR code to instantly send you sols onto your wallet. That is how you find your wallet address in Jupiter Crypto. You can also switch between the wallets and tap on the receive button in order to find your wallet address on Jupiter Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.